After the product is preheated, we proceed to manually press the test button for testing. We press and hold the button to switch between sliding speed and Celsius degrees here. Let's take a look. When it changes to F, it indicates speed, and when we switch it back, this is in degrees Celsius. Okay, now we will conduct a gas test on it. We can use a lighter without igniting it for the test. Go at this time, the product will sound an alarm. The concentration of carbon dioxide is 0 and the concentration of methane is 17. At this time, he will call the police if he exceeds 6%. After the gas dissipates, it will automatically stop alarming. When in alarm mode, pressing the middle button will silence the product, entering silent mode for about 5 minutes. After the silence is over, he returns to normal.